I'm sat in the new Porsche 911 Carrera GTS. Next to me is the previous generation Porsche 911 Carrera GTS. And we're going to have a drag race over the standing quarter mile. Let me tell you about this car. It's rather interesting. It has an all-new 3.6 litre flat six engine with a single turbo, but it's also got a hybrid system. Not just a hybrid system, a special Porsche T hybrid system. Now what that means is that you have an electrified turbocharger which can send power from the exhaust gases into a battery, which can then be used to power an electric motor in the gearbox for some added punch. But it can also send power from the battery back to the turbocharger to spin it up instantly so you don't have any turbo lag. Now in total, the system puts out 541 horsepower and 610 Newton meters of torque. Because this is the Carrera, it drives the rear wheels only via an 8-speed PDK dual clutch automatic gearbox. Let's find out about the previous generation car from its driver. It's none other than Mark Webber. Hey Mark, how are you?
Very well, Matt. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks. I'm excited. I got the brand new 911. I'm going to get to race you, ex-Formula 1 driver. It's a great day. Can you tell me about your car?
Yes, mate. At my disposal, 3-litre flat six, twin turbo, 480 brake, mate, 570 Newton meters of torque. That's going to give you a bit of a run for your money, son.
Especially with your reaction skills. You're always quite good off the line, weren't you? So I might have met my match today.
I actually wouldn't have said it was my strength, so there's even more pressure on you, mate.
Oh, great. Thanks for that, Mark. Are you trying to psych me out or something? Okay. This one, it's slightly heavier because of the hybrid system, but only by 50 kilos. It weighs in at 1,595 kilos. The previous generation model is 1,545 kilos. This one is slightly more expensive because of the extra tech, the extra power. You've got like 61 extra horsepower. It comes in 170,000 euros. When that was available for sale, it's just gone off sale because this is the new one, 155,000 euros. Anyway, it's going to be super interesting to find out what happens. Now, before we do that, I'm just going to rev up this car a little bit. Soft limiters, regulations. Mark, can you do me a favour, please, mate, and just rev up your car? Same. There is a hack we can do though, Mark. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go into launch control and rev it like that. Then it revs to about 4,000. What about yours?
Mine, 5.
5. Oh dear. So you get slightly more revs than me. I'm not sure that matters. Let's see.
3, 2, 1.
All sideways. It's hooked up now. He's going.
Come on, you good thing.
Come on! I had a worse launch, but now
He's got me.
Gotta say, your skills beat me off the line. Great reaction. I got some wheel spin, and through no skill but the technology in this car, I did manage to still come past you and win.
I'm happy to roll with that, son. The longer the run went on, I ran out of talent, let's say.
So do you know what? I always like to play fair. So let's do best 2 out of 3. Maybe you'll get an even better launch, or maybe I'll get a better launch this time. But let's have one more go.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, yes!
He's got me on the line.
Come on!
Come on.
Wow! That hooked up. What do you think of my driving skills?
You're pretty handy in a straight line, mate. And I think your car's not bad either.
I am handy in a straight line. Well, the car is certainly handy in a straight line. That just took off.
Hey, listen, mate. I mean, I think it's only fair I get a go in the new car. Come on, please.
All right. Okay, I'm not going to make it easy for him. Let's just move the seat into a really awkward position because I know he's quite tall. There you go. Good luck. Good luck.
Thank you. Thank you. He's even shut the door on me. Oh. What a gentleman. Thank you.
Come on, start the race, start the race. Come on, quick, come on, start the race.
Get in here.
Start it.
What a combo.
3, 2, 1.
Oh. Oh no! Oh my God! That's like over 2 car lengths. I think I've just been found out.
I think the wheel slip was good for me then.
Yeah, I mean, you just took off. I had no chance. Like, this is quick, but that, wow.
This just hooked up and departed.
Oh well.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the new GTS won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 10.9 seconds. The current GTS took 11.4 seconds.
Whenever I'm drag racing or performance testing cars, I always use my Racebox. It has a built-in GPS antenna for super accurate timekeeping, but it also comes with a backup external antenna as well. So you can use it as a lap timer as well as a drag meter, though obviously I mainly use it as a drag meter. It's very easy to operate. You just cycle through the different menus using these keys, and you can even customize your own settings. So I've got this one set up to measure 0 to 60 miles an hour, 0 to 100 miles an hour, the standing quarter mile, of course, and the standing half mile. But you can set it up just as you want it, and you can choose between metric or imperial if you'd rather have kilometers an hour instead of miles per hour. I really like the big clear display and how it'll pop up your numbers and times as you go through the different markers. Really useful visual aid for me when I'm trying to show people exactly how fast a car is. Now, if you'd like to find out more about Racebox, then follow the link in the description to this video or the pinned comments. Alternatively, click on the pop-out banner appearing in the top right-hand corner of the screen now, or follow the QR code on screen. Use the code MAP15 to get 15% off the price. Anyway, let's get on with the video. Right then, Mark, we've put you back in the previous generation car. And what we're going to do now is have a rolling race over the half mile. We'll put the cars into Sport Plus, manual mode for the gearbox. We'll do a roll on in second gear from 50 kilometers an hour. Are you ready?
Sounds good. Everything's ready here.
Let's get into second, get to 50. Right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa! Oh! Oh my gosh! I am loving this! Victory is sweet. How was that for you, Mark? It was wonderful for me.
I can't match you, mate. Into a little bit more throaty bottom end. Constantly just watching you track away from me.
And that's just how I like it. Right then, Mark, what we're going to do now is pull off in third gear from 80 kilometers an hour. You ready?
Gotcha, Matt.
Let's get to 80 in third. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, look at that pickup.
He's got too much for me.
I'm enjoying this. This is so much performance. Just pulled and pulled and kept on pulling past you.
Yeah, I was looking for a bit of a lasso, mate.
You had no chance. Now we can have a brake test from 100 miles an hour or 160 kilometers an hour. When we reach the 2 cones, we're going to do a full emergency stop, and the car that stops in the shortest distance wins. Here comes the cones. Oh! If you're wondering why the new GTS stopped in a shorter distance than the old car, it's because while both are fitted with carbon ceramic brakes, the new GTS actually gets the larger, more powerful carbon ceramic brakes from the current Turbo S. Wow, that was so much fun. Just want to say a huge thanks to Mark for taking part. It's been a right laugh, and I've got to say, this new car, it's got some performance. Well, anyway, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel by clicking on my face. If you want to watch some other videos, just click on the video windows somewhere around the place. Thanks for watching.